In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Pandadoc account. Whether you're looking to clean up your digital footprint or simply move on to another service, I'll guide you through each step of the process, making sure everything is clear and straightforward. First, let's start by heading over to the Pandadoc homepage. You'll want to open your web browser and navigate to the Pandadoc website. This step ensures you're accessing the most up-to-date version of the site, which is important for ensuring all options and functionalities are available to you. Once you're on the homepage, if required, log in with your credentials to proceed to your dashboard. Once you're on your Pandadoc dashboard, you'll need to direct your attention to the top right corner of the page. Here, you'll see a Help option. Clicking on this option is your gateway to accessing further customer support and settings that can assist you with account management tasks like this one. This Help section is designed specifically to aid users in resolving issues and making changes to their accounts, so it'll be your main resource throughout this process. Next, within the Help drop-down menu, you'll find the option to Contact Support. Click on this option to start reaching out for assistance. This is a crucial step because unlike some platforms where you might have the ability to automatically delete your account through account settings, Pandadoc requires a more personalized touch. By contacting their support team, you ensure that your request to delete your account is handled in accordance with their protocols. Now that you've initiated contact with support, you'll need to craft a clear message outlining your intention to delete your Pandadoc account. This message should be polite and to the point. A simple request clarifying your need for account deletion should suffice. The support team is trained to deal with such requests and will guide you through any further steps if necessary. Throughout the process, be on the lookout for any emails or follow-up instructions from Pandadoc's support team. They might contact you to confirm your request or to notify you once your account has been deleted successfully. It is advisable to keep these communications for your records, as they might come in handy should any issues arise in the future. And there you have it, a simple and effective way to delete your Pandadoc account. Remember, keeping your personal data manageable and secure is a vital part of navigating the digital world. I hope this walkthrough has been helpful and clear. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Make sure to check back for more guides